I've been coaching creative leaders and CEOs for well over a decade now. And if you include my time as a complex trauma specialist in Harley Street, that's well over 15 years. And the reason I'm telling you that is because of this. I know, without a shadow of a doubt, with hand on heart, that you have so much untapped potential sitting inside of you and inside of your skull that you have no idea. Now the problem is that even though you have so much untapped potential sitting inside of you, you, like most of the population, including me, were born with a speed limiter inside our heads. So we are like Ferraris, but we are cruising along on average. Now the thing is, inside our heads, inside us, inside our nervous system, our speed limiter that is stopping our Ferrari from going at 220 miles an hour is our self-image, is our subconscious identity. And that subconscious identity, that self-image, is what stops us from unleashing our potential. Because metaphorically, within our self-image is a thing called the blueprint of life. And written on the blueprint of life are all of your rules that you have written over the years. And these rules tell you what your ceiling is in money, in wealth, in health, in happiness, and all of that stuff. Now what you want to do, and what I wanted to do back in the day when I was learning all this stuff, was I wanted to take that speed limiter off so that I could go at my full capacity. Now there's two ways to do this. The slow way is to do conventional coaching, and that means that when you do conventional coaching, you're going to make incremental changes at a behavioral level. Now eventually you may speed up the car, but it's highly unlikely you're ever going to hit the full capacity. The fast way is going into your unconscious mind, is getting into that self-image and reprogramming and rewriting what is written on the blueprint. Because when you change the blueprint, you change your life. And that is what I do with subconscious bullshit elimination.